Hey guys, are you a cider maker or are you wanting to get into cider making? Because Fermentis have just launched a brand new range of 4 strains unique for cider making. So we've 4 new strains, we're going to take you through them and we hope that you buy them from Geterbrewed. Check out the links below. Hi guys, welcome back to the Geterbrewed channel. So today I'm going to focus on cider yeasts. It's coming around to cider season, so we always find as you know, people watch the fruit growing in the orchards and the gardens, and again as the commercial brewers of cider get ready. Is it brewers? Do you call commercial cider producers?
Cider makers.
Cider makers. Feel free to comment on whether you're a brewer or a cider maker if you run a commercial cidery. Look, for us, we supply everything as a one-stop shop here. So we supply brewers, distillers and cider producers with their core ingredients. So for cider producers, it's usually yeast and chemicals. We keep them here in bulk for the commercial producers, and we have them in small little packets for the hedgerow, small scale producers that want to make this at home. So Trevor's not here, the cider guy today, to tell me, but 4 new strains from Fermentis. Fermentis are a French company, one of the largest, most professional yeast companies in the world, and they make incredible quality yeast. So today we're focusing on their 4 strains. So soft cider, steady roller, the go-to, consistent, just performs well with all types of cider production that you're going to take on. If you want something a little bit fruitier, and you want a fruitier finish, the TF6 is where I would be going and recommending. And if you want something really crisp, the AC4 is where we would steer you. And then if you want something a little bit sweeter, go with the AS2. How I managed to remember all that is F for fruity, C's for crisp, and S is for sweetness. Huh? Easy. See what I did? For us, we've stocked all this stuff up because we know the home producers are going to start really ramping up in volumes over the next few months, because you can see there's going to be a bumper harvest. We have a couple of orchard counties here in Ireland. There's a couple of orchard counties again in Britain, and you can see obviously there's going to be a bumper year. So we're stocking up on chemicals, process aids and yeast. Hope you guys are ready to do that as well. We'll pop the links in the video below. Keep an eye on the channel, hit us a little like and subscribe so you know when we release new content, and we'll try and get cider producers that know what they're talking about, like Davey. If you want to stick the link up, he'll give you professional tips on how to make great cider. Until next time, happy cider making.